Tell me your name, Private.
This private's name is Luzzi, Sergeant Instructor.
Okay, Luzzi. Give me 5 push-ups.
Aye, aye, Sergeant Instructor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done, Sergeant Instructor.
Hey, Luzzi. Can you tell me what your lifeline is?
ESE 111, Sergeant Instructor.
How about you sound off?
Electrical Systems Engineering, Sergeant Instructor.
Wrong! Your lifeline is your water supply. Give me 10 flutter kicks, Luzzi.
Aye, Sergeant Instructor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Done, Sergeant Instructor, done.
Without your lifeline, you're dead, Luzzi. Dead. You understand me?
Yes, Sergeant Instructor.
Hey, Luzzi. You've been an awfully good private, so I've got a little surprise for you. I want 60 laps around the engineering quad, now!
Aye, Sergeant Instructor. Done, Sergeant Instructor, done.
Put your cover on, you disgusting thing.
Aye, aye, Sergeant Instructor.
Good job, Luzzi. I bet you're tired, right?
Yes, Sergeant Instructor.
Sound off!
Yes, Sergeant Instructor.
Well, unfortunately, due to an inefficient system, we've been out of water for several days. You'll have to go out without water for the next 2 days. You'll be fine, right?
Aye, Sergeant Instructor.
As you can see, the inefficiency in water distribution can have some major consequences. Just now, you saw a satirical interpretation of how a private can become dehydrated due to this inefficient system. This was a joke, but in reality, it's a major issue. My partner and I, as future hopeful members of the military, hold this issue very dear to us. We hope that with our new project, we can save money, save water, and in the end, ultimately, save lives.
Water is one of the most vital resources for carrying out a mission in the military. It is also, unfortunately, one of the main resources that a command of a battalion has the least information about. Our NeverDry water bottle will solve this issue. Our NeverDry water bottle, through a liquid level sensor, is able to measure the percentage of the water bottle that's filled with water. Now this works because in this sensor there is a series of resistors, and the electrostatic pressure of the water triggers a set amount of resistors, which you're able to calculate a ratio so that you can figure out the percentage of the water bottle. As you can see, the water bottle is right now transmitting to the Arduino through the sensor its percentage. And now if you were to add water to it, you would see that it raised from 23 to 26%. This would work also if water were taken out of the water bottle. This is not our only capability of the Arduino that we've designed. Our NeverDry water bottle is also able to transmit its data via the internet to ThingSpeak, which in this case represents the central database of the battalion command. Now imagine that we had this sensor and this setup over a multitude of water bottles. The battalion command would be able to receive all of the water bottle percentages and add it up, and through discrete calculus they would be able to solve for how long it will take before the battalion's out of water, what areas the battalion needs water, what areas the battalion has a surplus, and so they would be able to make more efficient decisions. This is very important because decisions will be able to be made more efficiently, and the man on the ground who has to focus on the actual carrying out of the mission won't have to worry about water. They'll be able to say, the central command is taking care of us, we can focus on the mission. Finally, we have included in our Arduino an accelerometer. This is not for the battalion command, this is for the soldier who is running the sensor itself. If you notice, movement turns the green light off. Green means go. This is so that if you're in a vehicle or in some other area where there's motion, the green light tells the soldier that when it is off, do not use, because the water inside is sloshing. This will lead to an inaccurate measure. This is our NeverDry water bottle, and we believe that with minor changes such as mobility and Bluetooth connection between the sensor and the Arduino, this could be very easily implemented into the military today. Thank you.
To improve our studies, we've decided to ask one of the most important opinions in the Detkin laboratories. Jeff,
Hi.
is water truly the most important lifeline in the military?
You know, in my expert opinion and my knowledge of all things military, I think, yes, water is very important.
There you have it.